Good morning, students. In this session, we'll see some formulas related to sets and some word problems related to that formulas. See, formula 1, n of A union B. That means number of elements in A union B equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. Okay. Second formula is if A intersection B is equal to empty set, then we know, right, number of element in that empty set equal to 0. In that case, n of A union B equal to n of A plus n of B. That means number of elements in A plus number of elements in B. If A union B is not equal to empty set, then n of A union B is equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. If A intersection B is equal to empty set, then n of A union B is equal to n of A plus n of B. Okay. Third formula is number of elements in A union B union C. Important formula. N of A union B union C equal to n of A plus n of B plus n of C minus n of A intersection B minus n of B intersection C minus n of C intersection A plus n of A intersection B intersection C. Okay, here see, one order is there: A intersection B minus B intersection C minus C intersection A plus you need to add n of A intersection B intersection C. And the fourth formula is n of A minus B equal to n of A minus n of A intersection B. Okay, n of A minus B, we know, right, how to calculate A minus B. But to calculate n of A minus B, directly you can apply the formula n of A minus n of A intersection B. Then something you need to remember in this formula is, suppose question is at least A or B is given. That means you need to calculate n of A union B. Okay. Suppose both A and B is given. That time you need to calculate n of A intersection B. At least one, that means A or B condition. Okay. At least one. Okay. Whenever comes, then you need to use the formula n of A union B. Both A and B or both, whenever A and B comes or both A and B comes, the word both comes, then you need to use A intersection B. Then only A, that time you need to use n of A minus B. Or suppose only B is asked. Only B means n of B only, not A. So B minus A. Remember the words. At least comes or A or B comes, that time you need to use n of A union B. Both comes, that time n of A intersection B, or A and B, and means intersection, right? So n of A intersection B. Only A, not B. Okay, they will give only A, not B, or only A only given. Only A means n of A minus B. Only B means n of B minus A. Remember all these formulas. It's very important for word problem. Okay. Now see the first problem. Out of 50 people, 20 people like tea, 10 take both tea and coffee. How many like coffee? Okay. Out of 50 people given, total 50 people are there. 20 people drink tea. Okay, here I'll take n of t is equal to 20. Number given, right? So n of t is equal to 20. 10 take both. So that means n of t intersection C, right? Tea and coffee. Whenever both comes, that is intersection. N of t intersection C is equal to 10 is given. See, how many take coffee? That means n of C equal to question mark. See, given data is out of 50 people. That means total 50 people are there. So you need to take n of t union C is equal to 50. Okay. Out of 50 people, this much data is given. Okay. Now apply the formula. We know n of t union C is equal to n of t plus n of C minus n of t intersection C. Here 50 is there, right? 50 is equal to n of t is 20. N of C you need to calculate number of people taking coffee minus n of t intersection C. Here data is there, right? 10. Okay. Now see, 50 is equal to 10 plus n of c. That implies n of c is equal to 50 minus 10, right? 50 minus 10. That implies n of c, number of people taking coffee, is equal to 40. Clear? Just shifting 10 to LHS. Now draw the Venn diagram. Venn diagram, see, two circles. First circle take it as T, second circle coffee. Then you need to draw universal set. It's a very important. Okay, rectangle that represents universal set. Okay, now see, first while drawing the Venn diagram, you need to fill the intersection part. Both tea and coffee. How much? T intersection C is equal to 10. T equal to how much? T is equal to, see here, 20 is given, but already you included 10, right? Here see, in the intersection part 10 is already included. A means up to here, right? All this part included, 10 already included. So here you need to take 10. See, 10 plus 10, total T is equal to 20. Okay, T only, here you can see only 10. But T and copy both 10 also included, right? Total T is equal to 20. T only equal to 10. Similarly, coffee. Coffee is equal to, see, 40 members are taking coffee. But see, up to here, set to see, coffee is equal to, see, this much part is included, right? Already 10 is included. Then out of 40, you need to write 30. Only coffee is 30. This much only coffee. That's equal to 30 members. But total coffee is equal to 30 plus 10. Plus 10, why? Because he may take coffee or he may take tea. Okay, that's the intersection part. Only coffee is 30. But taking coffee 30 plus 10, total is equal to 40. This is how to represent given data in Venn diagrams. See the second question. In a group of 65 people, 40 like cricket, 10 like both hockey and cricket. How many like cricket only? See, how many like cricket only, not hockey? How many like hockey? Okay, first write the data. In a group of 65 people means n of cricket players take it as C, hockey players take it as H. N of C union H is equal to 65 people are there. Okay, in that cricket n of C, n of cricket players equal to 40, and number of hockey and cricket, and means what? Both comes means intersection, right? So n of C intersection H is equal to 10. How many like cricket only? That means n of C minus H equal to question mark, right? Cricket only, not hockey. That means n of cricket minus H. That means not hockey. N of C minus H equal to question mark, and they contained how many like hockey. N of H is equal to how much? First write the formula. N of C union H is equal to n of C plus n of H minus n of C intersection H. Substitute the values. N of C union H, here we have 65, equal to n of C. N of C is 40 plus n of H. N of H, that you need to calculate, take it as n of H minus n of C intersection H. C intersection H is equal to 10. Okay, 65 is equal to 40 minus 10. It's equal to 30 plus n of H. This implies n of H, number of players playing hockey, is equal to 65 minus 30. N of H is equal to, if you subtract, you will get 35. Number of players playing hockey is equal to 35. Now move to the second question. N of C minus H equal to question mark. We know the formula, right? N of C minus H is equal to N of C minus N of C intersection H. Okay, it's equal to N of C. N of C is equal to how much given? N of C is equal to 40 minus N of C intersection H. C intersection H is equal to 10. 40 minus 10, it's equal to 30. So only 30 players they play hockey, they play cricket only. That's the value of N of C minus H. If you draw the Venn diagram, see here, take cricket and hockey, then draw universal set U, okay, represented by a rectangle. Now see, first what you have to do, you need to fill the intersection part. Intersection part, here you can see, it's equal to 10. Cricket, how much? Cricket is equal to, see, given data 40, but 10 already included, right? So 30. Okay, hockey, how much? Hockey is equal to 35. but 10 is already included, right? So 25. Okay, 25 plus 10, how much you'll get? 35. 30 plus 10, how much you'll get? 40. Now see, this much part C minus H, right? This much, see, this part up to shaded part, this part is C minus H and this part is H minus C. We saw that in Venn diagram, right? A minus B and B minus A. See here, cricket only. C minus H means cricket only. How much? 30. We got 30 also. Suppose question is hockey only. Hockey only much. How much? This part, right? It's equal to see 25 only. Okay. If you included both cricket and hockey, that time cricket equal to 40 and hockey is equal to 35. Cricket only means only this part. Okay. Intersection part is not included. That time see, if you apply the formula or if you use the Venn diagram, that time you will get only shaded part, that is equal to 30 only. See the next question. In a class of 50 students, 15 do not participate in any game. 25 play cricket, 20 play football. Find the number of students who play both. Draw the Venn diagram. See, total is equal to 50 students given. 15 do not participate in any game. Then means number of students participating in a game is equal to total, see, 50 students are there minus 15. Why minus 15? 15 students do not participate in any game. It's equal to how much? 35. Okay, 35 students are participating in game. That see, number of students participating in cricket or football is equal to how much? Here we got data, right? It's equal to 35. Okay. Now see, next number of students playing cricket, N of C is equal to how much? 25. And 20 play football, N of F is equal to 20. Find the number of students who play both. Both means N of C intersection F. That is the question mark. Okay. So use the formula N of C union F is equal to N of C plus N of F minus N of C intersection F. N of C union F 35 is equal to N of C is 25 plus N of F is 20 minus N of C intersection F we need to calculate. Now take N of C intersection F to LHS. So N of C intersection F is equal to 20 plus 20 45 minus take 35 to RHS minus 35 plus 35 will become minus 35. So N of C intersection F is equal to 45 minus 35, it's equal to 10. So 10 students will play both cricket and football. Now draw the Venn diagram. See here C and F, then universal set represented by a rectangle. First what you have to draw? First you need to compute intersection value here 10. Okay, both. Now see cricket equal to how much? Cricket equal to here given 25 but 10 already taken, right? So here 15. Cricket only 15. Football only. That means see football 20 but 10 already taken. 10 is remaining. Now see if we compare, if you take football here see 10 plus 10 it's equal to given data 20. If you take cricket 10 plus 15 that's equal to 25. You get the given data. Okay, C intersection F 10. Okay, that is calculated using the formula. This is how to draw the Venn diagram for the given question. See the next question. In a class of 100 students, 35 play football, 45 play basketball, 35 play indoor games. 10 play football and basketball, 15 play basketball and indoor games, and 5 play football, basketball and indoor games. That means they play both three games. That means they play all three games. If 15 students do not play any games, okay, they are not participating in any games, then find how many play football and indoor games. Okay, use the given data. Total is equal to 100 students given. Number of students playing games is equal to, see, 100 students are there, minus what, minus this 15, because that 15 students are not participating in any game. 100 minus 15, you will get it's equal to 85. Okay, out of, see, now 85 students are participating in game. What are the games? Here, see, n of football union, next basketball union, indoor games I'm taking I, it's equal to 85, that we calculated, right, number of students participating in any one of the games. Okay, in that now continue to see, n of f, number of students playing football equal to 35, and number of students who are playing basketball is equal to 45, and number of students who are playing indoor games equal to, here see given, that has 35, and continued 10 play football and basketball. Enough football and means intersection, right? Basketball is equal to 10, and 15 play basketball and indoor games. Enough basketball and indoor games equal to how much? 15 is given, and one more data given, 5 play football, basketball and indoor games, all three games. That means n of football intersection basketball intersection indoor games is equal to 5. What's the question? Question is, how many play football and indoor games? N of football and means intersection indoor games equal to question mark. Okay, if you write the data correctly, then it's easy to solve the problem. First, write the formula. N of f union b union I, it's equal to n of f plus n of b plus n of I, okay, then minus n of f intersection b minus n of b intersection I minus n of I intersection f plus n of, what you have to write, f intersection I intersection b. Okay, all three games. It's a formula for n of a union b union c, right? Instead of a b c, you are using football, basketball and indoor games. I'm taking first letters. Okay, in that case formula like come like this. So substitute the value. This is equal to 85. 85 equal to n of f, n of f given, right, 35 plus 45 plus 35, okay, both are 35 is given, right, minus 10 minus 15 minus n of f intersection I, that you need to calculate, plus both, that means all three games is equal to 5. Now simplify this one, take this value to RHS LHS, what you will get, n of f intersection I is equal to, see, 35 45 35 minus 10 minus 15 plus 5, simplify this one, will get 10. Therefore n of f intersection I is equal to 10. Now draw the Venn diagram. See, three sets are there, right? Take A, then B, okay, one more set you need to take that intersects both the sets. Okay, now see, now draw the universal set. Okay, then name the set. Here I will take first football, then basketball, then indoor games. You need to take circles. Third one not look like circle, but you need to take the circle. Okay, first what you have to do, intersection part you need to fill. That is what's the intersection part here, given data 5 is given, right? Intersection part for three sets. What are the intersection part? Here you can find, right, this is the intersection part for all the three sets. See, here f comes and I comes, also the b comes, that's value is equal to 5 is given. Okay, after that you need to fill, see, this one is for f and I, right? What is f intersection I? F intersection I, you're getting 10 here, but already 5 is there, right? So 5 is remaining. And see, this part is for b and I, right? B and I, b intersection I, how much given? B intersection I is equal to 15 is given, but already 5 is wrote, right? So here 10 is remaining. Okay, then see this part is for F and B, right? You can see here F and B only intersects. What is F intersection B? 10, but already you wrote 5 in the intersection, so you need to write 5. Okay, now go to F. N of F is equal to 35. But if you observe this circle, see 5, 10, here 5. 15 already you wrote, right? Okay, then 35 minus 15. So it's equal to 20. So 20, 30, 35. Total you will get 35. Then B, N of B is equal to how much? 45 is given. If you observe B, this part, okay, see here, B observe 10, 10, 20 already you wrote, right? 5, 5, 10. If you observe this circle, see 5, 5, 10 plus 10, 20 already wrote. This much part is remaining. Then see 45 minus 20, that's equal to 25. 25, 30, 35, 10, 45 will get. Now see n of I. N of I is equal to again 35. Observe this much part. Okay, this much part is I. Okay, in that see this much part is filled, right? 10, 5, 5, that is 20 is already filled, then remaining is equal to 15. Okay, 15 plus 15, 30 plus 5, 35. Total of it 35. This is how to draw the Venn diagram when three sets are given. Okay, see the next question. In a class of 150 students, it was found that 95 likes product A and 79 like product B. Assume every student like at least one of the product. Find the number of students who like both the product. See, in a class of 150 students given, here data see every student like at least one means n of product A union B, it's equal to 150. Okay, then n of A is equal to how much? 95 given, right? It's equal to 95. N of B is equal to, here see 79 given, 79. Question is see find the number of students who like both the products. That means n of A intersection B equal to question mark. We know, right? Both means intersection. So write the formula. N of A union B is equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. N of A union B 150 is equal to n of A 95 plus n of B is equal to 79 minus n of A intersection B, that you need to calculate. Okay, shift n of A intersection B LHS. N of A intersection B is equal to, see 95 plus 79, 174 minus 150 you will get. That is n of A intersection B is equal to 24. So number of students like both the products is equal to 24. Now draw the Venn diagram is given. First draw universal set, then set A and set B, name A and B. Here 24. Okay, intersection is 24. So write the A is equal to how much? Given data A is equal to 95. So here I will get 95 minus 24, and B is equal to 79. So 79 minus 24. Okay, this much part you need to calculate. This is how to draw the Venn diagram. See the next question. Out of 85 students in a class who took up a combined test in English and Hindi. Okay, if 63 students passed in both, that means they passed in both English and Hindi. 12 failed in English and 4 failed in only English. That means they may passed in Hindi. 12 failed in English means they may failed in English or they may failed in Hindi. Okay, but 4 failed in English only. That means they failed in English only. That means they passed Hindi. Use Venn diagram to find how many failed in Hindi, passed in English, passed in Hindi. Okay, see total 85 students are given, right? Total students equal to 85. Then see 63 students passed in both. That means passed students equal to 63. Then you can calculate failed student, right? Number of failed students equal to 85 minus 63. It's equal to 20. Its value is equal to 22. 22 students failed. Okay. Now see, use the data. 12 students failed in English. N of English failed. Okay, all right. English failed is equal to how much? Number of students who failed in English, it's equal to 12. Number of students who failed in English only, that means E minus H, right? Number of students failed in English only. A only means A minus B. English only means N of E minus H. It's equal to how much given? 4 is given. Okay. See, now draw the diagram. First, here I'll take English failed. See, draw two circles. This is English failed and this is Hindi failed. Okay, take the universal set. Then see, our data is total number of failed students is equal to 22. In that, how many failed in English only? English only means 4, this part. Okay, not intersection part is included. This much part, it is English only 4. But failed student in English is 12. So intersection part you will get 8. Okay, 8 plus 4 is equal to 12. Now Hindi only. How to calculate Hindi only? See, total 22 students are there. Okay, in that 12 students are failed in English. Then remaining students, okay, remaining students are failed in Hindi only. So here you will get 10. Okay, so see how many students are failed in Hindi. Total equal to 18. How many students failed in Hindi only? That's equal to 10. Clear? Total failed in Hindi means 18. They may failed in English also. But the number of students failed in Hindi only equal to 10. Okay. Now see the data. First question is failed in Hindi. Number of students failed in Hindi, it's equal to 18. Okay, 10 Hindi only plus 8 failed in both Hindi and English, so total is equal to 18. Okay, then second question is passed in English. It's equal to, see how many students are there? 85 students minus how many students failed in English? Number of students failed in English equal to 12. 85 minus 12, it's equal to 73. So 73 students passed in English. Very simple. Total students minus failed in English, that gives total number of students passed in English. Okay, next passed in Hindi. It's equal to, see 85 students are there, total 85 students minus how many students failed in Hindi? Number of students failed in Hindi equal to 18. 85 minus 18, it's equal to 67. Total number of students minus number of students failed in Hindi, that gives number of students passed in Hindi. So it's equal to 67. So this is the answer and Venn diagram for the given question. See the next question. In a certain college with 500 students, 300 take milk and 500 take tea. Find how many take milk only, tea only, both milk and tea. Very simple question. In a college of 500 students, that means n of total number of students 500, they are taking milk and tea. It's equal to 500. In that, n of milk is equal to 300, number of student taking milk equal to 300, and number of student taking tea, n of tea is equal to 250. Okay, first calculate n of both milk and tea. M intersection T is equal to question mark. Then milk only m of m minus t equal to question mark. Milk only means m minus t, right? Milk not t. That is n of m minus t. Next question is n of t only. That means t minus m. T only, not milk. That is n of t minus m question mark. Use the formula n of m union t equal to n of m plus n of t minus n of t intersection m. N of m union t 500 is equal to 300 plus 250 minus n of t intersection m. So take this n of t intersection m to LHS. What you will get? Plus, right? Minus will become plus. So n of t intersection m is equal to here 550 minus 500. It's equal to 50. So 50 students are taking both milk and tea. Now move to the next question, that is n of m minus t. It's equal to what's the formula? N of m minus n of m intersection t. It's equal to n of m. How many students taking milk? 300 minus m of intersection t 50. It's equal to 250. So 250 students are taking milk only. Then third question is n of t minus m. What's the formula? N of t minus n of t intersection m. N of t is equal to how much? N of t is equal to 250 minus n of t intersection m is equal to 50. 250 minus 50, it's equal to 200. So number of students taking t only equal to 200. Okay, these are all some important word problems related to the above formulas. Thank you, students.